Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a consistent AI-generated character for absolutely free and use it in multiple scenes. Plus, you will learn how to use the same character in all the video animations and clips, so you can create TikTok clips or Instagram reels with the same avatar over and over again. This will be a goldmine for content creation and marketing using AI avatars, so stick to the end. It is full of value. Even I am excited while creating this video. First, create a new document, whether it is Microsoft Word or Google Docs or any other type of blank doc. Let's set a document title. Next, write prompt. Here you have to create a very detailed description of your character, including its style, hair, eyes, etc. Either manually, if you are good in prompt engineering, or you can rely on popular chatbots such as ChatGPT or DeepSeek to create a professional and very detailed description of your avatar. Let's try to create one. I want to create a consistent avatar in all my AI-generated images and clips. Therefore, please create for me very detailed AI image prompt of a 25-year-old girl with curly blonde hair and green eyes, with a realistic style and standard pose. Now this is your avatar's description prompt. Copy it and go to the document you just created and paste it there. Now, go to Google ImageFX, log in using your email or Google account. Paste the prompt there. And generate the sample image. After you are happy with your image, select the seed number from the left bottom, copy it, then paste it to your document. This number is the most important factor to generate the same avatar with exactly the same features. Now you have a complete structure of your AI character. Don't lose this document, as it is the fundamental one to create consistent images and videos. Before we start creating images, let's close the application and restart it, and paste the same prompt and seed number for double check. Great, it generates the same exact avatar. You need to pay attention to two things: using the same prompt for character description and the same seed number. If you use the same prompt, but with different seed number, you might end up with a slightly different face. Keep this in mind. And finally, head to the library and save a copy of your avatar in your PC. We will use it later on. Let's first start with phase 1, image generation using our character. Go to Google ImageFX, which is currently absolutely free. Copy and paste both the prompt and the seed number to the relevant boxes. You can check the lock the button to block the seed number from changing. I want to re-emphasize it. It is absolutely a must to have the same seed number for consistent avatar creation. Now, add the following to the prompt: standing in a forest and smiling. And hit create. You can compare the final image with the original avatar saved in your folder. Now, erase only the part that you added on the original prompt and write: sitting in a restaurant and drinking water. Compare it to the original image. Now, let's take a step further. Go to ChatGPT's dialog where you created the original prompt, and ask ChatGPT to create an IA image prompt for a scene where the exact same character is walking in a forest. Copy and paste the prompt to ImageFX, but remember to maintain the same seed number. Now save it to your hard drive and compare it to the original character. It's almost the same character, but the one in the forest is a bit blurry since we zoomed in. You can use Image Scaler to enhance it and achieve very close results. Now, to the most juicy part. You can use your saved avatar and AI video generation tools to have a persistent character and animate it. Let's create a short clip about the same character introducing her YouTube channel using a video creation tool that grants us free credits such as Vidnoz AI.
Welcome to my channel. I will teach you yoga in 7 days.
See how our character is live and speaking.
Welcome to my channel. I will teach you yoga in 7 days. Welcome to my channel. I will teach you yoga in 7 days. Welcome to my channel. I will teach you yoga in 7 days.
Likewise, you can use the same image across different video creation platforms and have the exact same character across all your video clips and animations. Hope this video was useful. Please leave your thoughts on what type of similar videos you want to see added to this channel in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more similar videos. Then watch the next similar AI-related video that will appear in front of you soon. See you there.